Hello everyone, finally that day came that we are finally going to analyze for the next week what trades we are going to take. Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Let me check recording is on and screen is visible. I'm also visible. The I can increase this video size to, yeah, that doesn't make sense. Alright boys, let's start. This is my Mac. I love this. Beautiful. Look at the battery now. Just see the battery. It never dies. Battery never dies in this. This is not what we were looking for. Chrome. I'm quitting. I was using the Chrome for back testing, which I shouldn't. So let's start. First of all, before we start, I just wanted to tell you there is going to be three sections in this video. Let me hold this laptop. First section of the video. Wait, is recording is on? Yeah, because there is a new fear now. The recording automatically stops for no reason. Okay, so first section of this video is going to be the updation of the trading plan, like what details, what we have done yesterday, have we lost profit, every single thing is going to get updated. And also we're going to read the trading plan. Second section is going to be the before and the after of the trades, what we have predicted and what has happened will be looked before and after. And the third section is going to be the pure analysis of the technicals. So let's start. Yeah, camera angle is good. Mm-mm. The laptop is going to be like this, yeah. All right, so let's start before Google. That is not we were looking into. Google Docs. So it's separated. Trading plan. Listen to this tab. Is it? Prefer to listen what while you read. Now any document tab can be read out loud to you. Is it?
Success Sheet Bullseye Goal to become financially free by consistently making.
I was literally not doing this. Mic is on, right? I just hope mic is on. Mic is on. One, two, three. Yeah, it's on. Because the speaker maybe interrupt mic, so maybe. I'm new to this Mac. Just wanted to make sure. So trading success sheet. This is going to be what we are going to read. Trading success sheet. The first is goal is to become financially free by consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account. So 1% is equals to 84,000 INR approximately. 1% of $100,000 is equals to $1,000 is equals to 84,000 INR approximately. So by following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which is equivalent to $4,800, which is equivalent to 3,98,400 INR. Is this visible? Is my face is coming in middle of this? I probably will reduce my face. Yeah. Alright. I just wanted to see. Yeah. It is visible. Yeah. So by following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which is equivalent to $4,800, which is equivalent to 3,98,400 INR. Okay. So long-term goal. What is long-term goal? Having four funded accounts, minimum of $300,000 per account, which is equivalent to $1.2 million total funding, and making only 4.8% per month, which is equivalent to $57,600, which is equivalent to 4 lakh, no, which is equivalent to 47 lakh 80,800 INR approximately. This is so simple. So next is trading plan. We're going to take 3 trades per week. Risks per trade is equals to 0.8% per trade. Risks to reward ratio is equals to 1 is to 2. Win rate is equals to 70% win rate. It's a basically I want to take 50% win rate, but we can't take 50%. How in the world it will be divided into 1.5 trade, 1.5 trade? That doesn't work. That is the reason I forced to take the 70% win rate. So in this 70% win rate, I mean I technically have 90 to almost 100% win rate. So in this 70% win rate, we are going to win 2 wins and we're going to lose 1 loss. So the weekly outcome is going to be the 1 loss is going to happen, which is going to happen minus 0.8%, and the 2 wins we will be winning, that is going to be plus 3.2%. So net gain is equals to 2.4% per week is equals to, let's not consider 2.4% per week, let's consider half of it is equals to 1.2% per week. So that's easy to manage, isn't it? That is how 1.2% per week. So we will be making 4.8% per month. It is so simple. So now progress tracking shit. Let's do this. Let's log in into our portal, our funded account portal accounts. This challenge phase I haven't done anything. We're still down minus 1.64%. I don't this main this completely fit in the screen. Yeah. So the second thing is funded account. This is what I don't want. That is the reason I was experimenting. That is the reason we are almost next to uh, make this zero. So we need ChatGPT in our hand. Balance is equals to 5,000 starting, ending is equals to, actually we have the calculation why do. So we are down 7.8% because I don't want this account. So I'm doing the experiments on this. I really, literally don't want this account because it will be considered as a copy trading if I have the same trades on the both of the accounts. So payout will coming with the issue. That is when I was doing the practice over here, the new thing, which I will talk about that, which I'm not going to do it for now. No. So minus 7.81. So we're down minus 7. Oh, something went wrong. Shit. We'll type it. Oh, what's going on? 7.81. 7.81. 7.81. And the ending balance is going to be this 4,609. 4609. 0.69. Okay. So now this is the ending balance. This is the ending balance. And how much we can lose to blow this account? I mean, fail in this account. I want to fail in this account because I don't want this account. We just need the $9. So I'm going to also use this $9 or leave it. Maybe whatever I do, I will let you know. So this is what the metrics of this account, which I don't want this account, and that is why I have to. I'm doing experiments. I'm doing experiments on this. That is why we are down. If I wanted this account, I will make money on this, but I don't want. That is the reason I was doing experiment. But just because of the doing experiments on this account, it affects on this account because the experiment which I was carrying on the, I will tell you. Hold on. The experiments which I was carrying on this account was also emotion. Psychologically have forced myself to take the same trades on this account as well. That is the reason we're down in this account. Is that is the that doesn't looks good, but no problem, we can recover this. It's like this game. 4.84% we are down on 4.84%. 4.84%. So we are down minus 4.84%. We can easily recover this. This is just a two weeks target. Easily recover this. So do not worry. So yeah, the ending balance of this is going to be 95,158.39. 95,158.39. 95,158.39. So how we are going to recover? It just basically it is so simple. Within 3 to 4 trades we'll be recovering this. Within three, maximum within 3 weeks we'll be recovering this. It's not an issue, right? So weekly tracking table. This is what the weekly tracking I'm doing. From 17 November to 21 November we make 1.58%. Then literally for 3 weeks we haven't took a trade. Then we took a trade. That was not good. Haven't waited for the rejection confirmation candle. Was my mistake. Down minus 0.490%, which was one trade. Then we have took one no trade on this week. Literally wasted time, but there was no opportunity, so that is the reason we haven't took any trade. So from 29 December to 2 January we took this, and this happens. The low probability setup. The low probability setup was not good. Week 3, week 4. I see. Then 5 January there was no trade. This week there was also no trade. And then we have to. Oh my god, we haven't took any trade like anything. Weeks are getting wasted. It is getting wasted if this is my main income source. This should be one of my income source. Okay. So this is 19 January to 23 January, which is this week, yeah. So our target was making 1.2%, but we are down minus. How we can calculate this now? Should I keep it total or just this week performance? I will just keep this week performance, adding every single thing. That will make sense to have the calculated way. 4.84 minus 4.84%. It is easy. It's like only. So minus 4.84% happen because I took intra-day trades and was not also in the trading plan. So we gone out of our trading plan, and that is the reason. This is the result of going out of the trading plan. It is not an issue. You can recover this. All right. So what is the next target? Next target is going to be week 4, week 5. 23 January. So next week is going to get start 26 January to 30 January. 26 January. 2026 to 26 January to 30 January. Right. 30 January 2026. Our target is going to be for the next week is goes to 1.2%. This is going to be our target for the next week. We'll be achieving it. We'll look into it. Are we going to achieve it? Is there any high probable setups are there? If yes, then only we are going to take the trade. If no, no trading. I'm also working on my business, so that is the reason this is going to be one of our income source. Trading is going to be one of our income source. Trading should not be the only income source. If this is going to be the only income source, then there is going to be issue, because there is ups and downs. We have to have the stable income source for sure. It is what it is. So notes consistency is greater than speed. Stick to the plan, stay patient. This is the last. Focus on execution, not on emotions. One plan, one process, one goal is equals to freedom. So we'll be closing this. We have done our section 1. So now let's head for the section 2. Control S. No need, still I put it. Let's go for section 2. Now, to be honest, I really don't know what I have done. I mean, just because of doing the intraday, what it is. Just because of the intraday trading, wait, how I can say, there is other way to say this. I am having the swing trading strategy, right? But I wanted to get the more amount of trades. That is why I was experimenting the intraday trades. That is why I have rearranged a lot of currencies in this, which I haven't shortlisted for my swing trading. So now we're gonna have to see what trades we have shortlisted on for our swing trading in previous week, so that we can check the before and after. So I probably guess I have uploaded it. We're gonna have to see it on YouTube only. Find clients who immediately need your service. Really? History, your videos, playlist, live. No. Forex market prediction, where it is. Here we go. 3, 2. 6 days ago. This is 19 January to 23 January. 19 January to 23 January. This is the Sunday swings, and we're going to go it at last, because at last only we can see the what trades I was looking into. I'm waiting for the daily needs a retracement kind of. Okay. That was so not good energy. GBJPY on. Yeah, here we go. Price. I will be selling this currency if every single recording is on, right? I can now increase my video like this. That means this whole section is completed with the video. I just can't see myself when I'm not in this tab. I mean, lower time frame is in my hand. With the way I wanted, if the lower time frame is looking the way I wanted, I will be selling this currency. Oh, ah, I just got Punarjanam. Cat JPY. Odd cat. What are we waiting for? Okay. Yes. Okay. For odd cat, we were waiting for selling. I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure below this candle. I mean, below this box. Does that happen? Let's check it out. Odd cat, where it is? Odd cat. Daily. Oh, look at this. Look at this. We have avoided the loss. Oh yeah, I remember. So this is a Monday candle, right? Yeah, this is a Monday. I just check it downside. This is a Monday candle. I was waiting for this candlestick to close below this box, so that we will be having the engulfing candle as well, so that we can take the sell trade from here to here. No engulfing candle, no candlestick closure below this box. Haven't took any trade to the downside. Easy, avoided the loss. So CAD JPY candlestick closure below the box. That's a high probable, and in a low thing, lower take it ahead, take it to the downside. Okay, I was waiting for cat GPY to come up and then go to the downside. Cat GPY. Alright, cat GPY. Oh yeah. So literally, I was waiting for the candlestick closure over on this box. With candlestick closure on the box, we also do have the engulfing candle the way we wanted, the way we wanted to take the trade over here. But the candlestick closure inside the box. That is why I haven't took any trade. I was waiting for the candlestick closure below the box, which haven't happened. No trades. So technically, I have literally avoided a loss to perfection. Perfection. This is what I have predicted. It is going to happen. It is going to go up, which I haven't took any trade, and I'm certainly going to stop looking for such type of nonchalant trade. It's not good. Cat GPY, we have predicted, we have avoided a loss to perfection because what we have predicted has not happened. I avoided a loss. So two things which I have predicted which haven't happened. So I haven't took any trade the way I want. It haven't happened the way I want. That is the reason I have avoided a loss. So we can consider this as a two avoided loss. Okay, CHFJPY. CHFJPY on the other hand, I'm waiting for the 4 hours candlestick closure on 4 hours candlestick. I was waiting for 4 hours candlestick closure on the box. कौन सा CHFJPY, right? CHFJPY. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. So the 4 hours, technically 4 hours candlestick close, haven't closed on the box, which is I wanted to close on the candlestick. I wanted 4 hours candlestick to close on the box, which then I was looking for taking the sell trade to the downside, which there was no rejection over here. No trade. No trade. I have avoided the loss to the perfection like anything. Again, I have avoided the three losses in a row by just waiting for the proper confirmation. But I can literally took the buy trade over here and then we can easily take the money like anything. Monday. This was not looking good for buying. Still, I mean, that's going out of the trading plan. Odd ends it. Let's see. I mean, I have avoided the three losses in a row. Three, not four. Three. So let's go for odd NZD, what we were looking into, and then we are going to take the sell to the downside. Odd NZD, on the other hand, I'm waiting for the lower high to get created to take the sell trade to the downside. Okay, in odd NZD, you won't even believe what just happened. Okay, can we copy this? No, this is not getting. This is only we getting copy. Odd NZD. Now, what I have predicted is going to go down, right? Odd NZD, odd NZD. Uh, do we have? Yeah, here we go, odd NZD. Whatever I have predicted, it has happened to the perfection. I mean, every single thing is in front of you. Just we were not into this trade. You know why? Because I was waiting for the lower high to get created. I will let you know. I will tell you everything. This is a Monday. This is a Monday candle, right? I have said I literally have my lines right now over here. I have predicted. I said it is going to go down from here to here, which technically gone down, but we haven't took any sell trade because I was waiting for this. Yeah, I was waiting for the lower high to get created over here. This was so technical. This was so good, good trade, but I wanted the retracement. If there is no retracement, there is no trade. But the trade was valid like anything. I mean, trade was technically that. I mean, what I can say. Trade was valid, but if that is going to be the high risk trade, but for taking the high probability trades, that means a low risk trade, we should always wait for the retracement to have the taking the trade to the downside. But prediction was correct, but we haven't took any trade. So up till now we have avoided the three losses because what we have predicted haven't happened. And what I was waiting, I haven't took any trade because the setup haven't formed. In this odd NZD, the first trade has haven't created a setup which I wanted. That is the reason I haven't took any trade and we have avoided the profit. It's a part of the game. Intraday, I'm not looking into intraday.
On the other
Intraday,
hand, in
let's
ZDJP,
keep
I'm waiting for the one heart area the or
Euro USD.
USD. I'm waiting for the daily needs a retracement kind of. Okay, brother.
Oh yeah. So Euro USD, I have said it is going to go down. Now the best part is, what is Euro USD? Euro USD, I was waiting for the retracement candle, right? This candle I was waiting for. Just see over here. I have literally drawn the candle over here. I was waiting for the retracement candle, which does happen, but it have closed above this box. That is reason I just lost interest for taking the sell trade, but it was very good for taking the buy trade. But my bias was not buying. My bias was selling. That is the reason I have avoided a loss by taking the sell trade. I have avoided a loss. So technically, we have avoided four losses and we have avoided the one profit by just waiting for the proper setup.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the daily blue candle to touch close below this box. Then I can take the sell trade to the downside. GBP USD on the other hand, I'm waiting for the candlestick engulfing candlestick closure below the box so that we can tackle the support and then we can take the sell trade.
Okay. So what was that? GBP USD. Do we have that over here? Yeah, over here. Look at that. Look at that. I was waiting for the candlestick closer. This candlestick closer because this was already happened. This was we are predicting. Look at this. This already happened. We were predicting the next candles. We were waiting for the candlestick closer below this box to take the sell trade to the downside, which haven't happened. I have avoided a loss by just waiting for the candlestick closure. This is how I'm getting so good in predicting the market, waiting for the confirmation to take the trade. If there is no confirmation, that means we are going to avoid the loss. Look at this. There is no confirmation, we haven't took any sell trade, we have avoided the loss to the perfection. But look at that, it just pump up to the upside. GBP USD, so technically we have avoided the five losses in a row, five losses in a row, and we have avoided the one profit in a row. So next is GBP JPY. Oh, what just happened? Why the sound is not coming?
Engulf USD box uh, ASO ASO. GBJPY on the other hand, we are waiting for the daily candlestick closure below this structure, below this candle to take the trade to the downside.
Okay, so in GBP JPY, I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure below this candle to take the trade to the downside. Which, let's see now, GBP JPY. Here we go. Now look at this. The candles. I was waiting for this candle to close below this candle, which haven't happened. That is the reason we haven't took any sell trade over here. We have avoided the loss. So we literally technically avoided six losses in a row, and one profit we have avoided by just waiting for the confirmation. Okay, so now
On Other is Euro GBP. I'm waiting for the daily engulfing candle close
Okay, now this is kind of intraday, but
this
look at
box
what I have predicted that it is. I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure above this box. Okay, you just listen.
to take the trade to the upside. Or JPY on the other hand, I'm waiting for the candlestick close above this box to take the trade.
So I was waiting for the candlestick closure above this box to go to the upside to take the trade, buy trade. So Euro GBP, which the recording is on, right? 30 minute, yeah. Euro GBP, right? Euro GBP. Here we go. I was waiting for the candlestick closure above this box to take the buy trade, but candlestick just gone so up and closed over here, where it shows my prediction was correct, but we have missed the trade just just because of the candlestick close so above. So this is like a prediction of an intraday. Let's just done with this. So this is what I have predicted and what has happened, as you literally see the live. And this is not this is a recorded video, and we I have uploaded 6 days ago. Look at that, and literally have the 11 views. I don't know who saw us, but yeah, there must be something like, oh, this guy saw. This is what the experience of what I have, right? The proper and perfect prediction. I have avoid, as you can see, I literally avoided 6 losses in a row. 6 losses in a row and one profit in a row by just waiting for the candlestick closure. So this is what my skills are getting good and good enough every single time. So now we are done with the section 2 of this video, that is the before and after of my prediction. Before, I have predicted the exact, like the way we are going to predict the next week, the way I have predicted in previous week what is going to happen in this week. So that is the reason this week I'm just confusing you guys. Okay, so now the section 2 is over. So let's start with section 3. I will just de-shortlist this all of the trades, and yeah, we are not going to look for the intraday trades now onwards, because it's just a messing up. Intraday, temporary more to it, tomorrow straight, today straight, intraday done. Because it just we are just messing around and we're just investing our time for no reason. I have understand this because intraday trades are like very low probable, and seriously it's like I'm stepping into the world where I have no expertise in that. I mean, I have expertise, but I have no experience in trading intraday. So that is the reason we just don't have time for that. We are just going to use what works. We're just going to use that. What works is swing trading. Swing trading works, and I'm expert in that. I'm literally god of market. Whatever I say, it happens. So we're just going to focus on this, and we'll be looking for other income sources like business and whatnot. So now let's start with the technical analysis, the pure technical analysis of what trades we are going to. Okay, so camera is going to be this. This is the this oh, a whole box is getting included with the camera. Okay. Oh, oh, it just lock. Recording on 34:17, screens visible, cameras visible. So now we are actually going to go for the pure technical analysis. Let's start with the pure technical analysis. Here we go. So in this third, we are going to start third section. So in this third section, we are going to predict what is going to happen in the next week. That means from 26 January to 30 January. What is going to happen in the currencies? And second thing is, are we going to buy? Are we going to sell? If yes, then which currencies we are looking for buying and selling. This is what we are going to cover up, which is what we are going to predict in a for taking the trades in the next week from 26 January to 30 January. So let's predict. GBP CAD. Okay. I'm just not interested in a GBP CAD for buying. Can we do selling? Absolutely not. I'm not interested in GBP CAD at all. Euro USD, we have officially broken the structure. Look at this. Look at this. It looks so good. I will just delete a lot of lines. Okay, so now the new structure has been created. Alright, this is the daily and weekly. This is the proper structure, sorry, not structure, area of interest. This is the proper area of interest as we can see. So now what are we waiting for? The retracement to go up. I'm still looking for to buy this currency. I am going to buy this currency if we got the retracement and yeah. For us. Yeah, looks good, looks good. This looks good, man. What I
It's
want
11 o'clock.
currently 11 o'clock. So look at this. From almost how much? From 36 minutes we are recording. We have done a lot of things and still the battery is 92. We have started at 100%. Still the battery is 92. If this type, I mean, we are consuming like almost everything of the laptop. The laptop is right now in full speed, full consumption mode. If full consumption mode is going to give this, I was why in the world I was talking? I'm talking. I want the daily candlestick closure on this box. Then I want daily doji. Then I can buy the currency over here. Or else first of all I want the daily candlestick closure on this box. Then we'll decide. First, this is like the main thing. First, I want the daily candlestick closure over here. Next is next next day, that means Tuesday. If I got doji, awesome. If I don't got doji, it will be okay, not an issue. We'll look into it. But first, I mean, this is what we want. There is no other option. We want a daily candlestick closure over here, and that right there is the beautiful thing because we'll be retracing to the 4 hours previous structure area. That is going to be the awesome thing. Also, we'll be wicking into the 1 hour EMA as well. Like this is the hyperbole. But the only thing is going to be issue that 30 minute is going to get bearish. Once it touch to this 30-minute EMA, I want 30 minute to go bullish and then we can easily buy this trade. Now this is a trade. This is what the trades I am technically looking into. Now now this is the trade as presented. Finally we have presented the trade. But the only thing, oh, oh, look at this. Look at this. This week is going to get filled. We haven't filled that, right? Yeah. This week right there is going to get filled. So we're going to create in this month. See, January we're going to close almost over here. We are going to like there is no other option. We are going to close. Like look at this. This also the rejection is going to come from this area of interest. Like this is so good. We have also created a week and now we have rejected. We're going to go up. This is a trade which I'm looking into. We're going to make money a lot in the next couple of weeks. So let's type what we are looking into. We are looking for buying. Probability is high, risk is low. Waiting for the daily candle closer on the box. Second is daily to create the lower, no, not lower, a higher low. one day is equals to, we are going to check this trade at Tuesday, Tuesday. We're going to check this trade at Tuesday. After Tuesday, we're looking into taking the trade to the upside. But this looks so good. This right there literally looks good. Literally looks good. Literally looks good. Okay, so now you may say like, oh Udesh, this can weak like this and just can create the candle to the upside. Technically, I don't trade like that. It may be, I don't care if that happens. What I care is I want the higher low. It just can't create the new higher high without creating new higher low. Right. That is the reason I want the proper proper trade. Now this is the trade. This is the trade. This is what trading looks like. This is the hyperbole setups. Euro USD. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the box. Once that happen, then I will be looking into taking the trade to the upside. Watch list error. I don't care. This is the proper box, isn't it? So I wanted to, because the more precise will be for creating the box, the more proper our trade will be. The next week is going to week over here, and it is going to create the candlesticks to the upside. But to do that, it gonna create the higher low in this currency. It is so simple. Shortlisted cat GPY. Shortlisted. I've already shortlisted that. All right, cat GPY. Let's delete this. Can we select a lot of things? No, I can't select. Before we continue, I will be back.
I'm back.
I'm back, boys. Yeah. Before we start, I'm having the fear of auto cut of the recording, auto stop. Recording is still on. Yeah. Screen is share visible. Let's do it. So this is the CAT GPY. I mean, finally the market is showing the high probable setup. Finally, now we can enter into the trades. That looks so good. If one currency is showing the high probable setups, that means a lot of currencies is going to have the high probable setups. CAT GPY, yes, I mean 2 weeks before I have missed the trade. Um, how like what in the world is going to happen in this currency? It's a bit tricky. Weekly, why in the world this is creating such kind of weeks? Oh, monthly is so above, and we are technically super above. We are above, very above, very much above. I mean, we are in the toppest level of the thing. So what is going, like, what in the world what it wanted to do? Either close, why it is not closing? Oh, this is not good. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days. Means a whole week. Price action is getting engulfed with only one candle. That means over here there is a very selling pressures are there. Are we going to take the sell trade? This looks bit tricky. I'm not gonna lie, this looks so tricky. The daily is daily saying that oh wait a minute. If this candlestick close this color not looking good. Daily, yeah. So if this candlestick close below this candle, then we can look for taking a sell trade. But I mean, I don't know. To take the sell trade, I need the candlestick confirmation on the weekly. We literally don't have any confirmation. We just have the candlestick rejection. We want rejection and the confirmation of that rejection. We don't have anything. We just have the confirmation rejection on the daily basis. That doesn't look good. I mean, I don't know. If I want the candlestick closure below this candle, then I want retracement. See, this is what I want. I want the next candle to start over here, candlestick closure below this candle, then I want retracement to this box, and then we can easily take the sell to the downside, which in the fact will be also having the retracement to the if this is going to push the downside, this EMA is going to come down, and when this is going to come up, this EMA is over here, will be having a retracement of the 4 hours EMA as well, and then we can easily take sell to the downside. This is a bit tricky, I'm not gonna lie, because weekly we don't have the rejection. Wait, we like, why in the world I'm taking the low probable setup? We have just a rejection. We don't have rejection confirmation candle on the weekly. We should technically avoid this trade. This doesn't look good. When it will look good in the next week. I mean, not in the next week, because we are predicting for the next week. If this will be look good in the next week, when we'll be having the candlestick confirmation. So right now technically I'm literally not going to, I mean, this looks so good, but this is not good right now. I will be wait for the more confirmation, because I have learned I have literally learned waiting for the confirmation is the most important thing. We just can't jump into in middle of the road. We want the car to stop before we jump from the car. We just can't jump from the car when the car is moving 100 kilometer per hour. It's like a shooting gun on our foot. So cat JPY not interested. NZD JPY. Ooh. This looks good for buying. It does looks good, but is it going to do it? I don't know. A lot of lines delete everything. First of all, where are we? Monthly we are so on a top, but still it wanted to go on a top. Okay, no problem. We like it. This is the area of interest. Man, this looks good. We'll change the color to this. Weekly will make it more precise. I want this touch to come, and then I want this touch to be more precise. One, two, three, four, five. Five touches. So I want the way it have created the wick to the downside and it gone up. The way I want to create the wick to the downside, wick into this box and then go up. This is not technically a box. It's an area of interest. Man, this looks good. It is going to see what I want right now. The daily candlestick closure on the box. Once that happen, then I can able to take this buy trade to the upside. We will be also getting like this looks good. This is what you want. See what is going to happen. I will tell you exactly what is going to happen on a daily. On a Monday, it is going to create the red candle and going to candlestick closure on the box. On Tuesday, it is going to create the doji candle, and on Wednesday, it is going to start going to go up. This is what is going to happen, and this is what I am looking to take the trade on in the next week. Now market is showing the high probable setup. Now it's time to enter into the market. Because from past almost 1 month or 1.5 month, we technically haven't took any trade. We took the trades, yeah, that's true. That is why we have gone a little bit down, but this is a time to go up, right? This is what we are looking into. This is what is going to happen. This is the high probable setup. This is what is going to come down, and then see 4 hours is going to do like this. 4 hours is exactly what is going to do. It is going to get bearish because this is the higher low, and then it is going to come below the EMA, and then it is going to do this, and then it is going to do this, then it is going to do this, and then over here we are going to buy, and then it is going to go up. This is exactly what is going to happen. Just screenshot this and just come in next week, and I will show you this is what has happened. The way I've shown a previous week recordings and what has happened, the way I'm going to show this week recording in the next week what has happened. So I'm going to delete this. Technically I will just do like this because I know what is going to happen. I just don't want to show to me. Alright, let's add this. Let us just add this over here. The probability is absolutely high. Looking for buy. Oh, it's a wrap. I want daily candle closer on the AOI. That's all I want. 1 day we are going to check on the 4 hours to go bullish. That's we don't need to type that. Waiting time Monday, Tuesday. Because if we have a candlestick closure, we can't take the trade once we have the candlestick closure. We want candlestick closure and then the doji or then the rejection candle. That is how 4 hours is going to get bullish. If the candlestick going to come down, technique, yeah. So we're going to take the 2Ds to check. See how much I am connected with market. I can literally understand what is going to happen with the time period. On Wednesday it is going to happen. On Thursday it is going like this. So Monday it is going to close over here. Tuesday it is going to create the rejection, and Wednesday. On Wednesday will be looking into this. Look at this. This is the hyperbole setups. This is what we are looking into. This is what we were waiting for. And 4 hours is technically right now it's a bullish. It is going to get bearish. Looking to buy this. So what will be our take profit if we're going to buy this? This is going to be our take profit. This right there is going to be our take profit. That means this week is going to get filled. I mean, this looks so good. The risk to reward ratio is also looking good. If this played out now, will be within only one trade will be recovering everything losses and will be in profit. That is why you should not freak out. If you can't deal with losses, you just not a trader. If you have done the loss and if you know how to recover it, you probably will not going to freak out, right? But if you done the loss and if you don't know how to recover that loss, then that's the issue. Then you're going to have the fear. GBPR. GBPR technically I'm not looking to take the buy trade. It looks good that it is going to come up, but still I'm not going to because there is no rejection. There is no rejection. I want a doji or something like or a blue candle. Then I can able to have the rejection, right? Technically it looks good, man. Wow. The 4 hours also got bullish. We can easily buy this from here to here like this. I will tell you. From here to here, it is going to do this. But what is the probability? Like look at this. This is also retracement of previous structure area. But what is the probability of that doing this? It's a very low because weekly there is no rejection. I'm just not okay for this type of trade. I'm little not up for the risks such type of trades. I want the doji or engulfing candle. Then I can able to take the buy trade. Not good. I'm going to remove this and then we're going to analyze. So you know what is going to happen. I by seeing this I can understand what is going to happen literally. This week is going to get filled and now we're going to buy this currency. But the daily is not looking good. Daily is not looking good. On weekly it looks so good. It looks like this is going to get filled like this blue candle, bullish candle. But on daily it's not looking good. 4 hours. No. This is not looking good. Now this is what a lot of people are going to mess with up. They are just going to think like, oh, it is going to get filled. This week is going to get filled. But the lower time frame is saying that this is going to go down. Not good. Not good. This is like this such type of trades are made to take these stop losses. Mark my words. I will come I will come on the next week and I will show you that this trade has taken a lot of stop losses. I will clip this video because that's how confident I am. How, my goodness, this is going to do what I'm thinking. I'm thinking exactly the correct way. This is going to close like this monthly candle. This 6 for 6 days. It is not going to do anything. It is just going to mess around. And on February Monday, it is going to pump to the downside. Market is going to crash. I think so. You know, this thing is going to do. This thing is going nowhere. I just want see to take the sell like to take the sell trade. This is what I want. If I get in the next week, now every single thing we have weekly rejection candle, weekly rejection confirmation candle, but on a lower time frame is not looking good. I'm really not interested to take the trade, even if it looks good for taking the buy trade over here. Actually, it does looks good. Hold on, this looks good. This does looks good, but the 4 hours is not looking good at all. 1 hour, nah. This thing right there is not looking good. 1 hour is going to get bullish. 4 hours is going to stay bearish. Hold on. Technically, still, I will be not interested because because the lower time frame is not looking good. Is it go- wait. This is JPY, right? The other, what is NZJPY saying it is going to go up. Cash JPY is saying it is going to go down. Look at this. This is also the same currency. So much deflection right there. Euro JPY. Recording is on, right? Whew. I still will be not be interested. I mean, I still will not be interested because the way it is falling down. Look at this, like of almost 2 to 3 days price action we have engulfed within 1 day. It's not looking good. If we if there is a chances of we have created a doji or something like that, I'm just not interested, man. Before we come to any decision, we must be checking a lot of things. But I'm just checking the low price action to the below. Just wanted to confirm, is it what is going to happen like this? I just okay. So we'll keep this. We'll keep this. We'll come on this, but this is going to be low probable. I don't think so. It is going to create the even more like upside. If it is going to create the blue candle like this, the weekly sorry monthly is going to create the candle like this, and within 6 days, I don't think so. It is going to create the whole candle like this because we are so on top. It must be having the retracement to the downside. So on top, it must have the retracement to the downside. But we have given the candlestick confirmation to the upside. It's a bit tricky. The only thing which I like on a daily that we have closed above this box. Wait, technically we do close, right? Or we are under this box. This is a box. This is it. This is messy. Okay, we haven't closed. We are inside the box. Not good. I'm just not interested. Not interested. This is like the messy trade. I still believe it is. I mean, see, like there are two things. I just don't like to take the trade which has two things in his hand. This looks bit similar like this. There's engulfing candle There's an engulfing candle, we gone up. There's an engulfing candle, we gone up. If I get the 4 hours bullish, then I can able to take the trade to the upside. If I don't, then I don't. It's a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky. Daily from here to here. What do you guys think? We have the confirmation rejection. We kind of creating the doji on the monthly. It is not liking it. Within 6 days, within 1 week, it is going to full this. I just don't think so. But the lower time frame is still. You know what? Wait. First of all, wait. Where if we are buying, where are we buying? The main important thing. We are buying on a top stop. I'm just not interested. Thank God I have saw this. This only thing. I'm just not interested. Go on. Where are we buying? We should never buy on a top stop. We should sell on a top stop. Top stop means we are on it. This price is so on top. It has never gone before. I'm sorry, I'm not interested on you. This looks tricky, this looks messy. Not interested. But what my prediction is going to be, this is going to go down, My prediction is like, see, on a monthly, it is creating the doji to come down. On a weekly, it is so up, it has to have to come down, right? And it is also to come down, it has to get bearish. It just can't come down like anything. It has to close above this candle and then it is going to come down. Oh, I see. Okay, understand. It is going to create the candle such like this because it gonna have to need that. It needs that. So this candlestick is going to close above this candle. That is only it is going to happen. That is what daily is going to mess around over here for a whole week. This looks like this. And once that happens, then it is going to get bearish, and on February starting, and then it is going to get bearish as well on the weekly, like this, bearish like this, and then we can easily take the sell trade over here. Now I'm just not interested to take the buy trade. You get this. This is what I was saying. This is what I was saying, right? This is what I was saying. That when I see the market, I just see top 30-foot view. But when I go in detail, I just see every single thing which is going to happen. Do you know the um, Final Destination movie? Like that guy just understand what is going to happen in couple of minutes. The same thing I can able to see, literally can see. This has to come down. Mark my words. I'm just not interested in this currency. We literally waste our time. Odd cat, super not interested. But why in the world we have this much lines? I'm not interested at all because we are so on top. Not interested. It has to have the retracement. Not interested. Euro odd. Why this much lines? Euro odd. Not interested. Euro GBP on the other hand. Let's remove every single thing. Now we got the rejection. Oh, we got the rejection. Do we have the rejection confirmation? Kinda. Mm, Technically, this is not good trade. This is not even a good counter trade because whenever we are, this is a box. Okay, this is the area of interest. Okay, I have It must change. Okay, this is the area of interest we have closed below. I'm just not interested. No, no, no. GBP USD. Why in the world this much lines? Now this looks good for taking the buy trade. Yeah, this looks good. GBP USD and Euro USD is so similar. This right there is a trade. GBP USD and Euro USD. If two or more currencies in the same pairs like USD, GBP, Euro USD, that's the last, and GBP USD and USD is getting match. If two currencies or more than two currencies which is having matches and having the same prediction, that right there is the highest probable trades. I'm just organizing this box. This is the biggest box ever I have ever drawn. This is not looking good. We will be drawing like this. Mm-mm-mm. You may ask why Udesh you haven't took this previous structure area, because do you even think it is going to come this big down and then it is going to go up? I don't think so. Now look at this. Oh, this looks good. This looks super good. So now what I want is the daily candlestick closure. It's basically same thing, but this looks more high probable. It's creating the area of interest. Yeah, this is the area of interest, the high probable. Yeah, EMA 4 hours EM is also getting in line with this. Technically, I don't think so. It is going to come to this area of interest, but I will keep it. This has gone so up. I still need the candlestick closure on this area of interest or either this area of interest. That right there is only it. You can easily consider this, but I will consider weekly. We can even consider this as well. Yeah, we can consider this as well. That's how daily is also going to get considered. Yeah, technically, you know what? This is the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like this more than this because this is currently more what it is, more recent than this. This is like the 2025, almost 1 year ago. This is also valid, but still, we'll still keep this in intact. We'll still keep this in intact. This is going to mess. This is like a bit messy. Okay, this is what I don't like at all. ठीक है. I want candlestick closure on the area of interest. Oh, tricky. This is not a valid area of interest. Let's delete this. This is only the thing because on the 4 hours as well we have the recent price action, and daily this is like the previous price action. Let's consider this only. This is the only price action I'm thinking it is more valid than this. This is also going to come up, but I prefer this because recent price action is the god. We can even like this. Nah, let's skip this big only. I want the candlestick closure on this box or either this box. Once that closure happen, then I will be looking into taking the buy trade. Will be not be taking one only one candlestick closure. I want two at least two candlesticks messing around. Daily candlestick, Monday candlestick to come down, Tuesday candlestick to create a doji, and then we can go ahead. Are we doing any mistake? No, no. We haven't considered this. I should consider this. This is big black box. How about this? A daily. Okay, let's skip this because this is also getting in line. Let's just skip this only box. I wanna keep this. Because we want the price action to get in line with the daily and weekly. This. Yeah. Either I want candlestick closure on the box. I, I want candlestick closure on the box. One doji candlesticks and then push to the upside. It's basically same repetitive thing. There is nothing more new in this. Yeah. Yeah, we'll be also wicking into the 30 minute EMA bearish and then good bullish. This is what the good trade looks like. This is not like a hyperbole. I don't think so. It's a bit tricky, you know. Monthly is going to fill this. Within 6 days, it has to push to the upside. So it is going to come down and it is going to have. I mean, it has to. There is no other option. It gonna have to. This is going to come till here. We can easily take this. I mean, this looks good. It's going to wick into this area of interest and it is going to create one candle the way it has created a wick to the downside. It is going to wick to the downside. It's going to go up and we're going to create the higher low to go upside. Also, we'll be having the 4 hours candlestick. Like this is the trade, but the only thing which I'm not liking the way we are buying so above. That is only the thing which I'm not like. If it is going to come up here, we'll be having the higher low downside EMA, a lot of things, but it is what it is. Technically we just have 6 days for monthly candlestick to close, so it is going to have push to the upside, so we're gonna have to create the higher low over here only. If and only if it created the higher low, then and only I'm going to buy. If it is not, I'm not going to buy. So I am looking for buy. Probability is high, risk is low, waiting for daily candle closure on the box, and then 4 hours get bullish, and that right there is going to be thing. One day is equals to Tuesday, TUSTAY. Technically that's a Tuesday, right? 2 days. Monday is the first. Monday, Tuesday, I will consider this. So technically 2 days. Weekly is bullish. So we have a lot of confusion. Look at this. We have GBP USD and also Euro USD is saying that we are going to go upside. Technically the exact same trade. Look at this. What we are waiting for over here, the exact same thing. On GBP USD, we are also waiting for the exact same thing. This right there is the double confirmation of what we have predicted is going to happen. This is what the high probability trades look like. Why this is so zoom? Shit. This is the high probability trades look like. White background looks good, isn't it? Yeah. Recording is on. Yeah. My mic is on. There was one time I've gone live and there was no mic is on, and I'm like, are you kidding me? Look at only 77% battery is got consumed. A lot battery is remaining. Okay. This is not looking good. Okay, on a week, on a monthly, we have came to this rejection area, so it is not going to go up, it is going to go down because we haven't candlestick closer to the upside. I will delete every single thing because it is messing up. My prediction of odd GPY is was it have created a doji, it has to create the red candle because that will be evening star and it is going to go down. But that right there haven't happened, so I'm not interested to take any kind of trade in this. GBP JPY, let's delete every single thing because it's missing. Monthly, how about monthly? Where are we? We are on a top is top. I just also we have came to the rejection level on a monthly basis. That right there is a recipe for taking the sell trade, not the buy trade. People are going to buy because they say they saw that it has gone up, so they think it is going to go up, and that right there is not going to be the game plan for taking this buy trade. Technically, taking a sell trade is going to be the awesome thing if and only if we get the candlestick closure below this candle, then we'll be wait for the retracement is going to push to downside. Over here, taking a sell trade is going to be the high probable thing, high probable. But I am not going to take the sell trade because I will stick to the. I want two things. I want the rejection candle and the rejection confirmation candle. This is the two things which I will wait for to take the trade to the downside. Right now, no rejection, no confirmation, no trade, skip. But for intraday, wow, this looks so brilliant. Oh wait, what? USJPY got so pumped down. Look at this. This is this is what I have predicted. Just wait. I will not say. You will just see. Wait. USJPY. Let's go. Let's go right now. Let's. I want to show you. Oh, this looks so good, isn't it? History. Sunday swings. 3, 2, 1. Bud. USJPY section. What is this? This is the before and after, right? Predicting the markets. This is the USJPY was over here. So we're gonna have to find this until we go there. Go ahead. USJPY is over here. Yeah. It is about to come. USJPY. Look at this. Just look at what I am going to say. I said this. Like I said this.
Monday,
Hold on.
Tuesday. I agree. I got God of market.
But
Yep. So
USJPY.
going to get retraced and then
Now I'm going to talk about USJPY and just see what I've told.
Right. So when they will be checking GJ. I'm on the odd GPY. So you know what is going to happen. I mean by seeing these currencies, I can understand what is going to happen. Basically, I got God of market. Ooh. That was weird. Okay, I agree. That was fucking weird. What? Holy shit.
I do a lot
Okay,
of time
so
passing.
now what is going to happen? Look at exact simple. Break the doji, then it is going to come down. Break the doji, then it is going to come down. Simple, right?
What I said, break the doji and it is going to come down. Break doji, it is going to come down. Exactly what I said. It is right now on the YouTube. Just go and watch. I may be
But
shown.
the thing is, I don't like
I may be shown this. I may be shown this. I may be shown
spread
this.
the week to
I think so.
side.
Have I changed
13
my
days.
mind?
I'm
Have I changed my mind? Have I?
okay. All things which I wanted.
Yeah, I haven't changed my mind. Look at that. I have said break, retest, and break doji and push to downside. It's created, gone down, and then after that, after some time, then I have analyzed for the intraday for from here to here. It is going to fill the week. But just, just, just look at what I have said. It has happened in front of you. Every single thing is in front of you. And this is what I'm saying. I'm got so good in trading, not anyone can beat me. Okay, so this is it. USD is ahead of GBP JPY. Look at this. I am predicting the future, and market is giving us the hints. USD JPY is ahead from the GBP JPY. USD JPY has already given the rejection confirmation, and now we are going to head to the downside. GBP JPY is we waiting for the rejection. We already got the rejection. We're just waiting for the confirmation. Once we have the engulfing candle, then we can easily take till to the downside. I'm telling you, within 2 to 3 weeks, we're going to make a lot of money. I am telling you right now in this video. So now, let's analyze. Let's analyze this. Oh my goodness. Our USD price is just going to go melt down. It is going to melt down for a whole February. This thing is going to happen, and it is going to happen. And if I say that has to happen, monthly area of interest. If it goes close like a doji, this thing is going to melt down. And look at this. This is the EMA as well. This is so much getting. We're so connecting the things. Piece of puzzle we are connecting, and then we after we connect the pieces of puzzles, then we see from far. Then we see, oh, we have successfully connected the piece of puzzle, and I can see the picture. So this is like I have connected a piece of puzzle that this is going to come down, right? Because this is this area of interest. Weekly we can see this is the weekly EMA. It is going to come down and it is going to go up. Before go up, it has to come down. It is going to weaken into the EMA. Just look at this. A lot of things are getting connected down there. Also, we are going to head down of the daily EMA. Wow. Just wow. Daily. This is the area of interest which I'm waiting for. This is the area of interest. This is the area of interest. I like this currency like anything. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you. Within couple of days we're going to make a lot more money. But the only issue I'm not liking it the way it is looking right now. I know this is going to weaken to this area of interest and it is going to melt down. It is going to push to the downside. Kalla, kalla, dekha kalla. So daily doesn't look good. I just not like the daily list the way looking good. Wait, the daily is not looking good. 4 hours is also not looking good. 1 hour is also not looking good. Because there is no lower high. If there is a no lower high, I'm just not going to take the sell trade. Uh, I'm visible. Recording is on. Screen is visible. Alright. I will just close this Sunday swings. But I will just do this. USDJPY. Again, the same thing. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the box. Once that happens, I'm waiting for the daily doji. Once that happens, I want 4 hours to create the lower high. Once that happens, then I can able to take the sell trade to downside. Because right now, technically, just can't take the trade. As per the data, it looks like it is going to have the retracement this deeper. Then it is going to close. Then it is going to create a doji, and then it is going to push to downside. Also, we'll be having a retracement to the 4 hours EMA. Looks good. I'm deleting this because this is only looks good. But on weekly, this area, I mean, let's skip that. Let's skip both. Let's see what happens. We'll update however it happens. Mm, mm, Yeah, as per the data, I feel like it is going to come up till here. As per the things, not a lie. This is going to come up till here. I feel like it is going to come. If I feel like it is very high chances it is going to come up, let's just delete this. We don't need this now. Even though it looks good on the weekly, it little looks good on the weekly. I still feel like, but the only but we have it is if it is going to come up till here, this is going to very much near to. I don't I don't think so. It is going to come up till here. If I'm seeing the weekly, that's a cramp. If I see the weekly area of interest, I don't think so. It is going to come till here. We'll still keep this. We'll still keep this in loop. I don't know, man, but we'll still keep because if we are going to come till here, within 1 week it is going to come to a downside. Do you really think that? I don't think so. We'll keep this area of interest in loop. But the thing is so true. This thing is going to come down. That right there is true like anything. कसं सांगणार कसं सांगणार I want the daily lower high to get created. Means I want Monday daily candlestick closure on the box, and then I want doji, and then I want this push to the downside. Then we'll can able to take the sell trade to the downside. Profit is high, risk is low. Looking to sell. I want daily candle to close on the AOI. Box is not a good word. AOI, area of interest, is a technically good word. So we are waiting for 2 days. That is going to be Monday, Tuesday. TUESDAY. So technically weekly is bearish, daily is bearish. For as bearish, it looks so good to take the sell trade right now only, but I'm not going to. We may, we may be, we may be, like messed up. We maybe miss this trade, but it is what it is. I don't care. If we miss this trade in this week, sorry, in the next week,
It's 12 o'clock.
we can take the same trade in the next to next week. So no, not an issue. It is not going to pump to the downside within 1 week. It is going to continue to push to downside like anything. So not an issue. So weekly is having the engulfing candle. Weekly got bearish. We'll just have the retracement to the downside. Daily is also going to create the lower high to create the new lower low. Right. Once that happens, then we can easily take the sell to the downside. The 4 hours EMA. I don't. This is like a oversold. In your language, it's like a oversold. It has to come to the equilibrium position over here. I have this weird feeling this is going to come till here. I don't know why. So we'll literally look into this, but what I'm thinking like. So first of all, what we are looking into, we got the weekly engulfing candle. That's there. Second thing, what we are waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the box. Once that happens, then we need the daily rejection candle. That is the confirmation of the rejection from this box. Then we can take the sell trade to the downside. Technically, that is what we should be looking into. USD JPY. This is what we are looking into. So Tuesday we'll be looking into to take the. We'll check on Tuesday. Does that have candlestick closed on daily and what now? What now? What not? So Euro USDPY are shortlisted. EuroCAD. Let's see EuroCAD. This looks good for buying, and as I said, it is going to come up. It has came up. This looks good for buying. We'll look into it. Okay, this is the area of interest. Let's change the color. Oh, this is not the. This is this area of interest. This is coming. This is coming. What is going to happen? It is going to create the wick over here, and it is going to create the new candle. But we'll have to see the monthly. Monthly is going to close over this candle. That is means it is going to continue to push to the upside. Means it looks good for buying. And also we have the beautiful liquidity grab of the daily. Now we are going to continue to upside. Oh, 4 hours also shifted of structure. I mean, like this looks good to buy right now. I mean, but the market is off. That is why we won't be able to buy. Wow. I can see what is going to happen, and this is going to be our Monday trade on Monday. Oh, this looks so good. This is like this gives me a smile. Man, this camera is so good. Okay. Mark my words, boys, mark my words. It is going to wick into this area of interest, and it is going to create the new candle to up till here. The over from here, the first rejection is going to come from here. Also the wick is going to get filled. So that is the reason this is going to be our take profit. Okay. So we'll mark the area of interest from here to here. Yeah, we also have the rejections from the dailies. So also we are going to fill this week on a what it is. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I can see what is going to happen. So on daily, I will tell you. Daily, it is going to weak into this daily EMA, and it is going to go to the upside. So when it is going to weak into the daily EMA, it is also going to weak into 4 hours EMA. Also, it is going to create the 4 hours higher low to go up. Also, the 1 hour we also weakening into 1 hour EMA. Also, we will be creating a 1 hour higher low. Also, 30-minute also going to create the higher low. Also, we are going to weaken to 30-minute EMA. Also, 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute is going to get bearish. We will just waiting for 15-minute to go bullish. Like this is the trade. समझ का? This is this is the trade. This right there is the trade. I'm just so interested to take this trade now. You won't even believe. And we have also closed about wow. We have also closed about the Dovi FX. You know the Dovi FX trader. He says this type of area of interest as a magnet zone where a lot big pushes are going to come from this area of interest. This is called he called this magnet zone. Just change the color. It must change the color to the black. Okay, wait, haven't. We have also closed about this area of interest. It is going to do this. Okay, it is. I mean, I can give in return. This is going to happen. This is going to be my number one trade. This is going to be my number one trade. And also we have closed about this like this. This is going to happen. This is going to happen. In the next week, we are going to make a lot of money. This is going to happen. This is going to happen. Alright. This is going to create the higher low. Man, this looks solid. Solid. Alright. EuroCAD. Brother, EuroCAD is going to go up. I'm just putting this setup. Okay, EuroCAD. Weekly, what we are looking for? We are looking for buy. Probability is it's coming in high because we align with all the time frames. It's coming in the high. It technically must be medium because we are technically on weekly bearish, but all the just because of all the time frames are getting in line, EMAs are getting in line, every single thing is getting in line. That is why I like this currency for not low probable. I like this currency for the high probable. That is why I'm putting into the high probable. Risk is low. Looking for buy. Waiting for the what we should be waiting for. I'm technically waiting for the 4 hours. 1 hour to create the higher low. I'm waiting for 1 hour to create the higher low. 1 hour weak into this, 4 hours weak into this, 30-minute to weak into, 50-minute to weak into. How I can say what I'm waiting for? 4 hours to weak into, 1 hour to create the 1 hour to weak. 1 hour to weak into 1 hour EMA. Basically, technically, first of all, we should be checking this on. Check on 10:30 a.m. Monday and take the trade if we got if we got 1 hour week into the EMA, right? Of course, if 1 hour week into the EMA, 30-minute is also going to week into the EMA, and we need the 15-minute bullish. 30 minute also going to weak into the EMA. Also 30 minute previous structure area will be returned. Like this is the trade. This is a trade, okay? Come down. This is a trade. So we are going to wait for the zero day is equals to Monday. Monday at 10:30 a.m. Yeah, need to be more precise. Bearish. Daily is oh daily is bullish. And the 4 hours is bullish. I like this currency like anything. You to also like this currency. If you don't, you don't. The only thing which is going to happen it is if it is going to come and weak into the EMA, 15 minute is going to get bearish. We will wait for the 15 minute to go bullish. That's all. We're going to hit the trigger right away. Right away, right away, right away. So technically this is all going to be a entry. This is going to be stop loss. The 4 hours also created the I mean this looks so brilliant. This is going to be I'm just figuring out where the stop loss is going to be. We can keep this as a stop loss as well. Can should we? Maybe. Yeah, we can, but I don't want to. I wanted to be more precise, more awesome. I will keep this as a 4 hours stop loss. 4 hours technically stop loss is going to be this. I will keep the 1 hour stop loss. This if I'm going to close down this candle, then will be technically 100% wrong. If this candlestick close below this candle will be 100% wrong. 30 minute 100% wrong, 15 minute 100% wrong. So now what our adding 32 plus 14 is equals to 32 plus 14 is my magic number 46. So total stop loss is going to be 460 46, and this is going to be stop loss, and the take profit is going to be this little bit. We have to stretch it. Yeah, this is going to go take profit. A lot good trade. A lot's good trade. Whew. The more we come down, the more our take profit is going to be closer, and the more the high probable it will be. The take profit must be below this box. It should not extend, but I'm up for the risks. I'm up for the risks. Can you? Are you up for the risks? It is looks good. Magnificent. We can also keep this as a stop loss if we wanted to. We may, but that will be low probable. I don't want to get wicked out and then go up. It will like, it will not be good. Oh, this angle looks so good as well. Ooh. Oh, the camera is so good. I like this camera. If other laptop would be there, it would just black my face because light is behind me. But this camera is back. So this is going to be my trade. This is my trade. Check on 10:30 a.m. Monday and take it. If we 1 hour we can do it. Euro CAD. I like this currency. What like before I start, I said if we have the one currency a very high probable setup, there are very much currencies that we will be having a high probable setups. The question is, do you want to take it? Oh my goodness. This is going to come down and is going to close below this candle. That means the next full month we will be having the selling trade on GBP anxiety, where the weekly also have closes below this candle. That means technically we are bullish, but in structure we are close above below this candle. We're going to create the we're going to continue to create the red candle over here. Wow, 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 wow. Looks good. Looks good. Not gonna looks good. Okay. I want the daily candlestick closure on the box, create the higher low, and then push it upside. Downside. Sorry, not upside, downside. Absolutely downside. Fucking downside. This is what I want. The 4 hours, oh my goodness. The 4 hours is going to get bullish. Once it got this, I will not say, I will directly show. Look at this. Let's create the higher low, and now it is going to close on this box. It is also going to close above this structure. It's also going to weaken to the EMA. This is what is going to happen. It is also going to create a structure like this. It is also the EMA is going to come up here, and then it is going to get bearish. Then EMA is going to come from here to here. I will show you how the EMA is going to come. Retrace the EMA. Over here we are going to take the sell trade, and then we are going to take the trade to the downside. The EMA is going to play from right this like this. Over here we are going to take the sell trade. Literally, this right there is the thing. This is a stop loss. This is going to be take profit. Man, if this happens, fuck. Shit. So, oh shit, my mom. This is what is going to happen, brother. 30 minutes, exactly, whatever. I just need the 4 hours to go bullish to bearish. This thing, I mean, it has to close. There is no other option. It has to close down from. It has to close somewhere down here in this area, because the monthly is going to close. The monthly has to close below the candle, as I shown earlier. Why am this confidence? Because I know how the market works. I know. Probability is again high, risk is low, looking for sell, and I am technically waiting for daily candle closer on the box. Let's type that as well. 4 has to go bearish. That's all I'm waiting for as well. So we are going to wait for 1 day is equals to Tuesday. We'll be looking to Tuesday. I want Tuesday to look into bearish. Daily is also bearish. 4 hours is also 4 is going to be bullish. Right now it's technically bearish. Skip that. This is going to be awesome. Can we more precise this box? Let's reduce this. The more the precise it will be, the more precise our trade will be. I just I'm now I'm very much confident that yeah we are going to make money in the next week. Very much confidence, like anything. It is going to wick, and it is going to create the candle. Wow, D W O W. Wow, GBNZD. I like you. Waiting time Tuesday. We'll be looking into the trade on Tuesday. It is going to create the candle from here to here, and then we'll be having the bearish candle. Then it is going to khatarnak. I like this. I like this. Whenever we are above, we are buying. Whenever we are below to the box, we're selling. And right now we are below. We'll be coming, touching to touching to this box, and we're going to push to the downside. Super awesome, super beautiful, like this. GBNZD shortlisted. Audio USD. Now, how in the world I can able to take the trade in Audio USD? Let's delete everything. Have the clear price action. I am just not looking good. So not looking good. Audio USD not like it. USD CAD on the I missed this trade. I missed this trade. I have, but look at this. If I if I take this trade, man, I could end up making $4,000. Ooh, that's a Dubai trip. Okay. I have literally told this is going to happen. Then why in the world I haven't took the trade? USD CAD. Why in the world? Why in the world I haven't took the trade? Oh, is this a reason? Because whenever we are above, we are buying. Whenever we are above, we are buying. Maybe that may be the reason. We are also creating. Now we got a rejection. We got rejection confirmation. Now we're just waiting for the retrace. Man, look at this. This was the trade. It is what it is. Deal with it. Deal with it. Let's deal it every single thing. Let's analyze from the clear past, clear perspective. How about monthly? Monthly is, yeah, monthly has to create a week. Monthly is going to come till here. Little bit. Oh, we are already there. How about from here to here? Technically, the trade looks like it's gone, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, 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 oh. Same thing. I'm waiting for same thing. Um, yeah. This is the area of interest. Technically, it's not a valid. Oh yeah, it is valid. One, two. We can get three touches. So I'm waiting for the wick into this, and then just push it downside. I want the daily candlestick close. Again, the same thing. I'm not doing anything. I'm not waiting for other thing. I'm not waiting for other thing. I'm waiting for the same thing. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure and one day doji, and then push to the downside. Oh my god, this area of interest is so good. We'll be having retracement to the previous structure area of 4 hours. Looks good, isn't it? Mm-mm-mm. This is going to be the awesome trade. 1 hour EMA is also going to come into picture. Man, my experience about trading is super awesome. Super awesome. In this case, I might not be waiting for the candlestick closure. Maybe. Wait, let me check, because it is having the push to the downside, is having a lot of bearish pressure down there. I don't know, man. From here to here, it just can't come into and can't go down. It gotta need the candlestick closure. If it has the candlestick closure like this, uh, then I will wait for the doji, and then I will be take the trade to the downside. Cut him. Can we get a hint from anywhere? Came down, retraced doji down. Came down, retraced doji down. Came down, retraced doji. Damn. Technically, I will wait for this because uh, yeah, one day candlestick closure. If I wait for the candlestick, what is the probability of creating one more wick of big wick and one more big candle over here? I don't think so, because we have already created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, no, three, four, five. Five candles in a row. Creating one more red candle, I don't think so because it has to breathe before it runs again. Waiting for daily candlestick closure on the box, then we'll see. A very high probable setups I'm looking into a lot. Every single thing is high probable setups. I don't need that intraday, that low probable setups thing. It was working. It was not working most of the time. It was working less of time. Daily candle closer on the box area of interest. It's really not good word. I'm looking for sell. Probability is high of this trade. Risk is low. Daily Monday. How much time when we are going to check? Monday, Tuesday. TUESDAY. uh Daily is bearish, weekly is bearish, 4 hours is bearish, 30%. This looks solid. Weekly is bearish too. We have already created a big red candle. We're going to come till here. Look at this. Yeah. USD CAD, super notch, top notch, 100% awesome trade. If we are going to come till here, will be technically will be trade will be over here. Stop loss is going to be right there. And will make a lot money in this. Just want the things to happen the way I want, then we can take the trade. If there is no thing, if the things which I said that I want daily candlestick closure, if that haven't happened, then I'm definitely not interested to take the trade any in these currencies. Because if market is listening to me, market will continue to listen to me. That means make me profit. It's basically so simple, isn't it? I want to be more precise. Yeah, beautiful. USD cash shortlisted. CHF JPY. Okay, let's delete every single thing on Monday. Sorry, on monthly. Oh, we have the alarm over here for no reason. Where are we buying? We should never look for buying. Even though that looks good for buying, I will definitely not looking for buying at all. Because where are we buying? We're buying over here. The market is so top, it never reaches. Whatever goes tops, it has to come down. Buying is not a probability thing. Selling is going to be a probability thing. So looks like that we're going to have the red engulfing candle bearish. Once that happen, I will be look for taking a sell trade to the downside because USD JPY, sorry, this is CHF JPY. Exact same thing happens. I mean, USD JPY is ahead from CHF JPY. USD JPY has given the engulfing candle. The exact same way CHF JPY is also going to create the engulfing candle. So right now there is a very high chance that it is going to come down. So if there is chances that it is going to come down, buying is not a make sense because it has chances to come down. If you're buying and it comes down, we'll do loss. So that is the reason avoid this currency. In the next week, we'll be having the same trade which we are going to take the USD JPY we are going to take the sell trade in the next week. On the next to next week, this we are going to take the sell trade on CHF JPY. It is going to make sense when it happens. When the next week is going to over, when I will analyze again, you will literally see what I'm talking about. Euro NZD, ooh, looks good. It is continue to go to the push to downside. Oh, a whole week, Euro NZD, a whole month is going to get bearish. A whole month is going to go down. Now what we are waiting for? I'm just waiting for. Now look at this. There were the wicks. There were the couple of wicks the December month was the bank was closes. That is the reason there was no movement, no high probable setups. And now the bank started January. We are about to end the January. Now look at this. We're getting a probably high probability to the high probability setups. This is what I was waiting for. Daily and weekly. Just look at this. Look at this. There's nothing to look at. So we push to the downside. What I don't think I'm waiting for. No, 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 no. If this candlestick was close over here, then I will not wait for the candlestick closure. It came so down that I don't think so. Within one day, the candlestick is going to come up, and within one day, it is going to come down. Not at all. It doesn't work. Oh wait, we are talking about weekly, right? Weekly. No, 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 no. Not a good trade for this week. I thought this is a daily. And then I saw, oh, it's a weekly. I'm not interested. Because it's a daily. Now we came for daily. So as I said, it is never going to make sense if this candlestick is going to come from here to here, and within same week it is going to come and push your downside. Not at all. Same thing, it is going to go up. It is going to require the whole week. If I say on a daily, it is going to require the whole week. We can easily buy this currency. If this candlestick close above this candle, we can easily go above, but there is no rejection on a weekly. We should never take the trade. Yeah, but in a matter of fact, next week is going to retrace. Next week is going to be doji, and after that week we'll be taking the sell to the downside. We are getting in line with taking the trades every single week. Now you just see, Thar is going to come for sure. BMW Mercedes is going to come for sure. Mm, just the things. Is this going to close like a doji? Messy, don't like it. Oh my goodness, where are we buying even? I just can't buy. I just can't buy because it has. I don't know. The daily is bearish. I just don't like the way. If this candlestick closes above this candle, is going to go up, but technically, I'm okay. I'm just known like this is like a super not good trade. That right there is so much confusion. Hold on, like let's delete every single thing. Let's delete this line. This is not good. Let's delete every single thing. Why everyone keeping this? I'm not interested at all. After deleting, I saw the chart and I'm like, why in the world I have wasted my time to delete this? Not interested, not trade. NZD USD, not interested as of now because we have so push upside. It is going to create it. It is going to have the retracement up till here. It is going to create the red candle, and then one more doji, and then we're going to buy this like this. Next week we'll be having a trades, lot of good probable trades. Next to next week we'll be having NZD USD trade. Next to next week we'll be having a lot of good trades. Euro, sorry, what was that? Euro JPY, some JPY currency was there. Yeah, CHF JPY currency was going to happen in the next to next week. Then next to next week, this NZUS currency is going to have getting ready for taking the trade. A lot of like now I can able to see. losing. Now the market is getting ready for giving up money. Previously, market was not ready. It was so choppy, so messy, like anything. There was no even not a good trades. Now there is a very high probable setups. Now we can take the damn flying fucking trades. Okay, so let's organize the let's organize by the time. Today trade, not today. Today's trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I should be segregating like this. Today's tomorrow. So should I shortlist by this? Today's tomorrow or Monday, Tuesday? That will be awesome. Mm, we'll shortlist by this. Tomorrow. I don't know what I should be doing. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Should I create such kind of things or? But it will be like the Monday trade if not happen on Tuesday, it is going to shift for Tuesday. Right? If it is shifted for Tuesday, then Monday will be blank. And if Monday will, man, this is so confusing. Let's just do like this. Just do what is working right now. Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday means tomorrow trade because today means I'm going to check on a Monday and I want to see what trades we are going to take today. That is Monday. Right now is Saturday. So look at the only 60% battery. That's it. We are recording from how much? 2 hours and 12 minutes. Only 60% battery has dropped, which means I'm consuming a lot of battery from this laptop. Still I'm talking about still. This laptop is made to work. Tuesday, tomorrow trade means when I will be checking on Monday. I want to see what trades I'm going to take today. That means on Monday. Euro USD Tuesday, right? NZD JPY when NZD JPY is going to be Wednesday. Wednesday means more to it. GBP USD. Oh. GBP USD. What's listed? Something is GBP. अच्छा GBP USD. Tuesday means Monday के बाद का दिन. Tuesday, that means tomorrow. I have added more to it. Someone. Ah yeah, Wednesday. NZD JPY more to it on Wednesday. US JPY Tuesday. Coming back to Tuesday. EuroCAD, it is going to come on Monday. So EuroCAD coming on Monday. GBP NZD coming on Tuesday. Look at this. USD CAD coming on Tuesday. Oh, look at this. We have successfully shortlisted the trades. Let's recap what are we waiting for. I will delete this because this is what I was teaching to my brother. All right. So we have technically what we are waiting for over here. Waiting for 1 hour candlestick closure on this box. Candlestick closure on the EMA. Weekend to the EMA. 15 minute is going to get bearish. I want 15 minute to go bullish. That's all I'm waiting for in the Euro CAD. On Monday, we'll be going to check at 10:30 a.m. when about to start the London session. On the Euro USD, I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the box. Then I'm waiting for the daily rejection candle, and then I can able to take the trade to the upside. GBP USD, the same thing. There is no difference. Waiting for the daily candlestick closure, daily candlestick rejection, and then push to the upside. USD JPY, on the other hand, I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the box, and then I can able to, and I want the daily candlestick closure on the box. I want a daily rejection candle on the box, and then I can take the sell trade to the downside. GBP NZD on the other hand, I want daily candlestick closure to the on the box, rejection candle, and then push to the downside. Basically, we can say like this. Technically, this is what I'm actually waiting for. USD CAD on the other, the same thing. There is no difference. I'm waiting for exact same thing for on everywhere. Daily candlestick closure on the box, daily rejection candle, and then push to the downside. NZDJPY on the other hand, same thing. Daily candlestick closure, daily candlestick rejection, and then push to the upside. Same thing. Now we have 7 trades, 7 hyperbole setups. From these 7, only two trades, 2 to 3 trades we are going to take. From these 7 currencies only we are going to take 2 to 3 trades. That's all. That's all. The more a hyperbole, that is what I'm going to take. So this is what it is. Whew. Finally we finish. Finally we finish this. Yawning, huh? Of course, for 2 hours I'm sitting on one place. But I really don't. I feel like only 5 minutes has happened. This much I. Oh, I was like. Only 2 hours has happened, and I feel like only 5 minutes has happened. This much how I'm connected with market. I just don't. Man, this is so good. So good. Alright, boys, this is over. Let's see you. See you in next week. Oh shit, something is happening. See you in next week. Peace. Hope your next week is going to be profitable. Signing off.